Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's Michelle here. So, I've been doing a much bigger painting that I'm going to share with you. I used my Holbein paints, but I didn't use very many colours. So, I've got this Jaune Brilliant in the background. I've used sepia, and then I've used bright rose and lavender. I think I used a little bit of yellow ochre towards the bottom here just to darken this piece up. Let me just lose my face for a moment. And where are we? There we are. Uh, that's better. Now we can just see the painting. So you can see what a lovely effect I got with the bright rose here. Um, this is a scotlandpaintings.com. They have a website where you can paint it yourself for 9.99. This is the Silver Sands of Morar at dusk. It's an Art Nouveau inspired picture. I'll just share that website with you. And I will obviously put a link down below as well. Let's, here we go, there. Um, yeah. So, here we go. Buy the Paint It Yourself pack. There's the picture. 9.99, and you get 10 source images here. You get the original, the tonal, which is black and white. You get the painting in a grid if you want to plot it out that way. You get the line drawing and then the line drawing in a grid, the sepia version, sepia in a grid, the sketch in a grid, and even the color palette. So you get quite a lot sent to you as a PDF. I think that's rather lovely. I've been doing quite a lot of them. Some of you will have seen my previous paintings. This is quite large. This is a 30 by 40 centimeters. And other than the Holbein paints that I used, I did also use my or some of my Castle Arts Harmonious collection. This is a lovely collection. You get everything labeled in the lid, but you do also get, wherever I've put it, here it is, um, this sheet of card for you to swatch all of the colours on. And I picked out a nice little, I won't go through them all, but I picked out a nice selection um just to tidy up some edges and to do some of these lovely lines. I didn't try and copy the original. I just made those lines up myself, and I quite liked the pebbly bits that came up at the bottom. I mostly used my Esco de Pearl, a paintbrush, size 12 round. It's a synthetic, but I did also, where I was using paint on some of these wavy lines, I used the Matthew Palmer Branch and Detail small brush because it goes into a lovely point, but it holds lots of paint in the belly of the brush here. So that's kind of how I did it. And I've been looking at it and I'm not sure that I want to do anything more to it. I think I would be just overdoing things. So I'm probably going to leave it at that. But yeah, if you are interested in me perhaps doing some larger paintings, I may have to do them as part one and part two because they're otherwise there'd probably be too long a video. But I did also just want to share with you, in case some of you don't know, um, this is my YouTube page, my channel. And when you first, if you searched for me, if you're not a subscriber, that is, then it always takes you to the home page first. But in actual fact, really what you're probably wanting to look at are the videos. So you can click on videos, you can choose the latest, the popular ones, the oldest. Um, and then if you're interested in shorts, you can click and have a look at the shorts that I've done. Then there's the lives that I've done. And I think one of the best things is the playlists. So if you go to playlists, then you can find all of the easy paint with me's, all of the paint calm Fridays, art halls, travel palettes and setups. And underneath each of these playlists, you'll see it says the word view full playlist. And then you'll see all of the videos that I've done there. And I've actually done, believe it or not, 407 videos. I had no idea I'd done so many. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you in case some of you are kind of missing that. And I think also, it would be really lovely if any of you feel that you can subscribe. Only 29% of my viewers are subscribed. So 71% of you that are watching my videos aren't subscribed. And it does really help those of us that are making content if people subscribe and click the notification bell. Also, the thumbs up if you like the video that I've produced, that really helps it to be pushed out further on the YouTube channels. So yeah, if you can, it would be really lovely if you could subscribe and help me out a little bit there. I'd probably put two or three videos, maybe sometimes even four videos up a week, and a few shorts that I put up. It does take up time, and I really love sharing all of that with you. So I'm going to leave it at that. And yeah, let me know. Bigger paintings, maybe over a couple of videos. What do you think? And I don't know, do you like this painting that I've done? I answer all the comments, and I don't mind if you don't like it. It's fine. Art is very subjective. So, yeah, not to worry if you don't like it. I'm not going to get upset. So, thank you all very much, and I hope to see you again soon.